Meet Alex, a chain smoker for 15 years, who discovered a secret that not only helped him quit smoking, but also transformed his life in ways he never imagined. This is not just a story of quitting, it's about rediscovering life beyond the smoke. Part 1. The Smoky Haze. Alex's day began and ended with a cigarette. His life was engulfed in a smoky haze, a ritual that started in his late teens. The story begins with Alex, a charismatic individual enslaved by his smoking habit. He coughs constantly, experiences fatigue, sleeps poorly, struggles to keep up with his friends during hikes, and his once active lifestyle is now a distant memory. Part 2. The Wake-Up Call. During a routine doctor's visit, Alex received a wake-up call. His health was deteriorating. The vivid imagery of blackened lungs on the X-ray screen haunted him. That night, as he lit another cigarette, he looked at his young daughter, and a profound realization struck him. He might not be there to watch her grow up. Part 3. The Struggle and Revelation. Alex's journey to quitting was riddled with failed attempts, mood swings, and a constant battle with cravings. But his turning point came when he joined a support group. In addition to getting support from his group, he also learned about mindfulness and meditation. He replaced his smoking breaks with short meditation sessions, breathing exercises, and other coping techniques to deal with his cravings. These helped him slowly untangle the psychological grip of nicotine addiction. Part 4. A New Beginning. Months passed, and the transformation was astounding. Alex's breathing improved, his skin looked much better, and he regained his lost stamina. He started running, a hobby he once loved. The joy in his daughter's eyes as they raced together in the park was his new addiction. He also felt thrilled he no longer exposed his child to the effects of secondhand smoke. Part 5. The Ripple Effect. Alex's journey inspired others. His friends, some of whom were smokers, were moved by his transformation. They started their journeys to quitting, forming a community supporting each other. Part 6. The Message. Alex shares a powerful message. Quitting smoking was not just about adding years to my life, it was about adding life to my years. Every breath I take now fills me with gratitude. It's never too late to quit. Every journey starts with a single smoke-free breath.